officials concerned.
Mr.
Thank you,
Chairman, just a quick intervention to the subpoena. May I recommend to our the Senate President Pro Tempore to subpoena the owners of the corporations, not merely representatives. Kasi na subukan na natin dito yan, pag representatives, wala hong isasagot ho yan. So doon po sa General Information Sheet, the Articles of Incorporation, nakasulat ho doon sino may-ari, papuntahin ho yung may-ari tsaka presidente ng kumpanya. I so move.
Yes, I agree with the suggestion of Senator Gatchalian. I second the motion.
As practicable, let us invite the owners, the head, the most responsible officer of the corporations involved. Pero kung halimbawa talaga namang may legal excuses, ang ipadadala nila somebody who can bind the corporation, yung makakasagot din sa atin, to be practical.